Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So sister, as you have mentioned in the group that some of our team members need to know how to work on the Google Sheet. Let me explain, let me demonstrate on how to edit the Google Sheet. Actually what you have to do is get into our WhatsApp group. Actually I am in the WhatsApp group already. So actually what you have to do is initially get into the WhatsApp group. This is our group TIQ quiz Tamil translation, and then here click on these three dots. On those three dots we have the group info. In that group info we have these informations. Just scroll down. Here we have media, links and docs. Click on this media, links and docs, where we'll have this three things separately. Media contains all the photographs and all the things we have sent in the group, and docs contains all the documents we have shared in the group. Now we are looking for the links. So all the links which has been shared from the group members is here, and now this is the Google Drive link actually. So we have, so whoever wanted to make the changes over here, click on this drive link. It will take to the Google Drive where the Google Sheet is saved, and this Google Sheet contains the translation work that has been done by previous team members. And now here we can, this is the, once you open with it, will get in the Google Sheets. So we can open the Google Sheet, and now we can see quiz number 18. There are many sheets are here, you can see down. So quiz 18 and quiz 19. Now we are going to work in quiz 19. So click on this sheet. It will take to quiz 19. Okay. So once the sheet has been got, now this is the work. First of all, the English translation, English questions given by our team member, and then Sister Farida Kamil, she has translated for 5 questions, and I have reviewed the same 5 questions, and I have highlighted the things where I have changed. Actually, how to make the changes is click on any cell you want to do, make any changes, your type and whatever you want, as we normally do in our editing, maybe MS Word or MS Excel. The same way we have to make whatever the changes you want to make. You can type, you can delete, you can make some colors, everything. So all the options you can use from the thing as we do in our Google Docs and the Google Sheets like MS Word or MS Office, and that's all. The same thing can be done in the mobile also. So any changes you want to do, we can make the changes. Since the editable option is given to all the members, we can get into the things and we can see the changes done by the few other people also. Now I can see brother always he has typed some the translation, Tamil translation in for 6, 7, 8 and he is doing, I think. So likewise we can see the work done by others also. So the reviewers, I have reviewed Sister Kamil's work and I have made some changes which is highlighted using this option. Yeah, after making some typing work, I have just highlighted using these colors. This is here, this option is here. So likewise I can just to differentiate the previous one and my review, I have colored with the yellow to differentiate the previous and the first review. Likewise any changes we can, if you want to make, we can do, and that will be automatically saved because we are in the Google Drive. That's all, the how to make changes in the Google Sheet. Hope it will be helpful for our team members to continue with the work, and Jazakumullah khair.